So we're here to tell Columbia University, it's a shame. It's a shame that they would bring someone like Hillary Clinton to work here. We're here to remind Columbia that Hillary Clinton called black youth super predators. Yes. So we want to know, is this the role model that Hillary Clinton, that Columbia University wants for its students? We want to let Columbia know that it's a coalition of organizations that includes student staff of Columbia. It includes organizations from Haiti, from Palestine, from all over the world, and community members who are saying so long as Hillary Clinton is on this campus, we will be here protesting. Columbia University, shame on you. Columbia University,
shame on you.
Columbia University,
shame on you.
Columbia University,
shame on you.